In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a neutral grip shoulder press on one of these Swiss balls. Now, firstly, if you're doing this exercise, you're going to find this harder than doing it on a bench because you don't have that back support. You're going to have to support your back on your own by using your back and core muscles. So if you've got light weights, you can get away with just coming into the center of the ball and popping the weights onto your knees. Now, if you've got heavy weights, you won't get away with that, and also we don't want to strain the lower back. So if I had heavy weights here, what I would do is I'd come into a squat position, deadlift the weights up with a nice straight back, and I can put them on my knees seated in the middle of the ball. Feet come hip width apart, and what I'm going to do is you've got two options here. For some people, they like to just hammer curl the weights up into position. For other people, especially if they've got heavier weights, they like to use a bit of momentum with regards kicking the weights up with their knees. Either way, you're going to start in this position with the back of the dumbbell in contact with your shoulders. From here, the elbows come in, you're nice and upright, core squeezed, and you're going to come vertically straight up and back down, always keeping the elbows tucked in to the sides of your body and that lowering phase. So controlling the weights up and down. You'll notice I'm not completely coming into a position when I come up where I'm coming above my head. I'm slightly in front of my body. So I'll show you from a side-on view. So notice how I've got myself in a position. I'm nice and upright, elbows tucked in. I'm slightly in front of my body here with the weights as opposed to coming into this position. Once you've done your desired amount of repetitions, you're going to bring the weight straight back onto your knee, so the start point of the exercise. And of course, you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That's how to do a neutral grip shoulder press on a Swiss ball.